Occult Operations Program. With the Occult Surgery Program, everything is handled directly by the nose surgeon and his assistants, replacing manual work. It's not just nose surgeons who are in the Magical Surgery Program. There are many other surgeons. Benefits of the Magic Surgery Program. Replaces our manual work. Accept it, just let the plastic surgeon, nose specialist do it. Assistant surgeon whose job is to help treat, care for and monitor the progress of surgical results. The best surgeons in their field from surgeons who are still alive and who have died. All you have to do is order the surgeon. The person you are going to operate on doesn't need to visualize, let alone read prayers, look for the point, shoot the point. Other surgeons will be present without your orders. When they see the patient's illness, such as anesthesiologists, pediatricians, real surgeons, the reaction felt by the patient may or may not be painful when not anesthetized or anesthetized if not anesthetized. The patient can feel a hand entering the disease. If anesthetized, he only feels numbness in the part of his body where the disease is present. 1x activation forever without visuals, without looking for points, disease detection, etc. You just call any surgeon you want and immediately do the job.